Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you on a journey to a small but vibrant kingdom in southern Africa, Eswatini. We're diving deep into one of the most spectacular cultural events on the continent, the Umhlanga Reed Dance Festival. In a world zooming toward modernity, Eswatini holds on to a tradition that shines with grace, pride, and spiritual depth. Picture this. Tens of thousands of young girls and women dressed in vibrant traditional attire, singing and dancing in unison. This isn't just any festival, this is the Reed Dance, a royal celebration of purity, womanhood, and national pride. Alright, let's rewind and get into the roots of this majestic event. The Reed Dance dates back centuries, believed to have started under King Mswati II in the 19th century. Initially, it was all about preserving chastity among young women and honoring the Queen Mother. Over time, it's evolved into a grand celebration of cultural values, national unity, and royal tradition. Now the preparations for Umhlanga are no small feat. Girls from all over Eswatini gather in camps, traveling miles on foot, or with transportation arranged by the monarchy. They're led by local female leaders called Indvuna, who guide them through the festival. This preparation phase is like a boot camp for culture and respect. One of the most symbolic moments? The reed cutting expedition. These young women walk long distances to gather reeds from riverbanks. They then carry them back and present them to the Queen Mother. It's a ritual that symbolizes unity, responsibility, and the passing of tradition from one generation to the next. The climax of the festival is the dance itself. Thousands of girls decked out in traditional Swazi regalia, performing synchronized dances in front of royalty, dignitaries, and international guests. The energy is electric. The songs, the drum beats, the vibrant colors, it's a powerful celebration of womanhood and cultural pride. The royal family's involvement adds another layer of significance. The king, His Majesty King Mswati III, often attends, addressing the nation and sometimes even choosing a new bride. This royal dimension links the event to leadership and continuity, binding the people to their cultural roots and to the monarchy. Of course, no tradition is without its critics. Some view the reed dance as outdated or patriarchal, while others are concerned about the age and autonomy of the participants. However, many Swazis defend it as a voluntary, culturally significant event misunderstood by outsiders. Beyond the debates, the reed dance remains a unifying force in Eswatini. It reinforces a national sense of belonging and brings together people from all walks of life. It's also a major attraction for cultural tourism, boosting the local economy. Looking ahead, the challenge will be to preserve the cultural essence of Umhlanga, while adapting to a changing society. As long as it remains voluntary and respectful, the reed dance will continue to be a cherished expression of Swazi identity. So there you have it. The Umhlanga Reed Dance isn't just about dancing, it's a profound celebration of identity, purity, unity, and pride. For the young women, it's a rite of passage. For the nation, it's a statement of who they are. And for the rest of us, it's a beautiful glimpse into the heart of African heritage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cultural journeys like this one. See you next time.